Hi guys, we have here the StarMag Flexilens on clamp. As you can see here, great quality product. Want to give you guys a quick 360 look at the product here. We'll go ahead and do an unboxing, but just want to give you guys a quick look at the overview packaging. It's a large magnifying lens, great for a task on your table or anything, crafts or anything like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at what you receive when you order this. If you're looking to purchase this, please there's a link in the description below, as always. There you have it. So it comes with the instruction manual. Portion off. Take that portion off quickly so you guys can see it. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see here, it's one big flexible bend. So here's the clamp. Let's remove the plastic so you guys can see it. It does come in two different colors. So it comes like that. Comes in a bubble wrap. Let's remove the bubble wrap. Show you guys the magnifying lens. Comes like in a nice protective packaging so it doesn't break as well. And there you have it. You have the magnifying glass with the clamp as well. So overall, it's a great quality product, really great reviews. We do have them available, so if you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. Just want to give you guys a quick 360 look at the product you receive when you order this online. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.